Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's topic is fundamentals of organic chemistry. In this topic, what are the content we are discussed? Point number 1. Organic chemistry, that is a definition. Point number 2. Characteristics. Point number 3. Classification. Point number 4. Nomenclature. Point number 5. Isomerism. Next point. Reduction and estimation of elements in organic compounds. Finally, purification of organic compound. These are the content discussed in fundamentals of organic chemistry. First one is organic chemistry. What is the definition for organic chemistry? Organic chemistry deals with the study of carbon compounds. Or chemistry of hydrocarbon and their derivatives. What is the meaning for carbon compounds? Compounds obtained from plants or living organisms made up of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. Some of the terminology used in organic chemistry. First one, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. Hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1s1. In s orbital, only 1 electron. In s orbital, totally 2 electron, but here present the only 1 electron. This is known as valency of hydrogen. That is a hydrogen, this is a bond, only one bond. This covalent bond, nothing but mutual sharing of electron, not hyphen or minus. This is a covalent bond. Another one is oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here s orbital 2 electron, p orbital is a 4 electron, 3 orbitals. Here only 2 unpaired electron present, remaining is a 2 unpaired electron gained from the nearest noble case to attain the stable compounds according to the octet rule. Common electron require 2 electron require. So valency of oxygen 2. But valence electron total is what? 6. This 1s orbital lowest energy not involving the bonding. This is a valency 2. Here common is a lone pair. There are 2 lone pairs. Lone pair, another name, non-bonding electrons. Does not involve the bonding. So lone pair, 2 valency. Another one is a nitrogen. Atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Three unpaired electron. It's a 3 unpaired electron required to form the stable. So 3 unpaired electron is what gain from the nearest noble case to attain the what stable compound according to the octet rule. So valency 3. Common lone pair, only one lone pair. Another one is carbon. Carbon atomic number 6. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Only 2 electron. This orbital cannot gain 4 electron. It's very difficult. So valency 2, here is what 2 electron, totally 4 electron. Valency and the valence electron 4 in the carbon. Hydrogen valency 1, oxygen valency 2, nitrogen valency 3, carbon valency 4. Clear? Easy to do. Okay. These are the terminology used in the organic chemistry. Another one, characteristics. Characteristics of organic chemistry. Many of the organic compounds are inflammable. They are covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are low melting point and boiling point. They are soluble in non-polar solvent. Like carbon tetrachloride, benzene, toluene, ether and chloroform. These are the non-polar solvent dissolving non-polar compound because of organic compounds. The organic chemistry, organic compound is what a covalent compound. Covalent compound soluble in non-polar solvent like carbon tetrachloride, benzene, toluene, ether and chloroform. Another one point, they are exhibit isomerism. What is the definition for isomerism? Compound having same molecular formula but differ in physical and chemical property. This known as isomer. The phenomenon known as isomerism. Another one. Homolog series. For example, CH4. CH3, 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 CH2, CH3. What is the definition of homolog series? Series of organic compound, each containing the characteristics properties of functional group and successive member can be differed by the CH2. This name is called homolog series. Another one, catenation. Carbon greater tendency to form the catenation. Carbon is a backbone of all organic compounds. What are the carbon family? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon is a greater tendency to form the catenation. What is the definition of catenation? Tendency of elements to link with each other and forming the chain of the covalent bond. This name is called catenation. Carbon is a greater tendency to form the catenation because of carbon having the highest energy. Another one, bonding in organic compounds. In organic compound can be classified into two types of bond. One is sigma bond. What is the definition for sigma bond? What is the valency of carbon? Carbon valency 4, nitrogen valency 3, oxygen valency 2, hydrogen valency 1. These are the terminology used in the organic compounds. Carbon valency 4, hydrogen valency 1. This one is the simplest hydrocarbon, that is alkane. Totally is what? Different types of hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, alkyne are discussed in the lower classes. Here, simplest form of hydrocarbon is a methane. Carbon valency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is covered by the hydrogen. This bond, what bond? Covalent bond. Another name is called a sigma bond. What is the definition of sigma bond? The covalent bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of electron. This is known as a sigma bond. Another one, multiple bond. Any other bond with sigma bond is known as a multiple bond or bibond. For example, CH2 double bond CH2, carbon carbon double bond. This one example for alkene. It's a sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. This is known as bibond. Any other bond with a sigma bond, this is known as a bibond. Among the sigma bond and bibond, bond is what? A weak bond. This undergo addition reaction, substitution reaction or polymerization reaction. One more question may be asked in the NEET. In this common, totally common is sigma bond and common is bibond. One, two, three, four, 5. 5 sigma bond. How many bibond? Only one bibond. Another one, CH3, CH3, CH2. Carbon valency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this common sigma bond and common bibonds are there. Here, common bibond, only one bibond. Sigma bond 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. One more question may be asked. In this component, common is sigma bond and common is bibond. In this component, common is sigma bond and common is bibond. Totally is what? 6 bond. 5 is a sigma bond, 1 is a bibond. Here totally 12 bond, 11 is a sigma bond, 1 is a bibond. Another point, classification of organic compounds. Classification of organic compound based on the structure or functional groups. This organic chemistry, that is organic compound, can be classified into two types. First one is open chain or acyclic or aliphatic compounds. In Greek word alipha means fat. Open chain is made up of only carbon atom. This name is called open chain. Another name acyclic. Another name aliphatic compounds. Another one closed chain are ring compounds. Are cyclic or alicyclic. Here, ring made up of only is what a carbon atom. This name is called closed chain. Here, open chain can be classified into two types. First one, straight chain. Another one is a branched chain. For examples, carbon. What is the valence of carbon? 4. Here, H3, H2, H2, H3. Linear straight chain. Totally how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon methane, 2 is ethane, propane, butane, pentane, like that. Here 4 carbon butane. But number of carbon atom, A is a carbon-carbon single bond. Here second carbon there is a branch. Branch one, first one same. This name is called iso. Totally how many carbon atom? 4 carbon. Name is called isobutane. This is a common name. IPAC name 1, 2, 3. In the second portion there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl, remaining how many carbon? 3 carbon. So propane. This one example for branched chain. This one example for straight chain. Here closed chain or ring compounds or cyclic compound or acyclic compound. These are can be classified into two types. Homocyclic. Another one heterocyclic compound. Homocyclic, another name carbocyclic. These are classified into two types. Alicyclic, another one aromatic compounds. What is the meaning for alicyclic? Is a ring made up of carbon atom. Those property depends upon the aliphatic compounds. Here in Greek word aroma means sweet or pleasant smell. Is a ring is what made up of carbon atom with conjugated bi-bond. These are the major difference between alicyclic and aromatic. For examples, three carbon atom, 3 carbon is a propane. Here is a what is the valence of carbon? 4. Here 1, 2, remaining 2. 1, 2, remaining 2. 1, 2 is a remaining 2. This name is called cyclopropane. Cyclo is a prefix. Propane is number of carbon atom. This one example for alicyclic compounds. Another one is aromatic. Aromatic can be classified into two types. Benzenoid, non-benzenoid compounds. What is the meaning for benzenoid compounds? Organic compound which containing at least one benzene ring in the molecule. This name is called a benzenoid. For example, hydrogen, because of carbon valence 4. This is nothing but alternative bond. Alternative bond nothing but conjugated bond. This is a small circle. This small circle representation of all the carbon-carbon bond length are equal. This one is a simplest aromatic compound. There is a benzene nucleus. Another one is a side chain. This is a side chain aromatic compound. This name is called benzene. This name is called toluene. In the benzene, totally how many carbon present? Totally is what? 6 carbon. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen present. Like that. This any compounds given, find out the number of carbon and number of hydrogen may be asked the questions. These are the example for benzenoid compounds. Another one, non-benzenoid compound. What is the meaning for non-benzenoid compounds? Compound exhibit aromatic character with conjugated bisystem but do not contain the benzene ring. This name is called non-benzenoid compound. Best example, azulene. These are aromatic compounds with conjugated bisystem which does not containing the benzene ring. Benzene ring means totally 6 carbon. This one is not a 6 carbon, it's a 7 member ring. This one is a name azulene. Azulene is the best example for non-benzenoid compounds. This name propolone. These are the best example for non-benzenoid compound. So here aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound can be classified into 2 types, benzenoid and non-benzenoid. These are the example. Another one is a heterocyclic compound. What does it mean for homocyclic and heterocyclic? Homo means same number of atom. Hetero means different number of atom. Here, ring made up of carbon atom. Among the carbon, one carbon can be replaced by the any atom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. This name is called a heterocyclic compound. What is the definition of heterocyclic compound? It's a ring made up of carbon atom. Among the carbon atom, one carbon can be replaced by the another atom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, etc. This is known as a definition for heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound can be classified into 2 types. Alicyclic, aromatic. Alicyclic, aromatic. Alicyclic best example THF, tetrahydrofuran. Aromatic nothing but is a this name pyridine. Tetrahydrofuran pyridine is a ring is made up of carbon atom. One carbon can be replaced by the nitrogen. These 2 are example for heterocyclic compounds. Here classification of organic compound in organic chemistry very important. These are classified into 2 types, open chain, another one is a closed chain. Open chain can be classified into 2 types, branched chain, another one is what? Straight chain. Closed chain can be classified into 2 types. First one is a homocyclic, another one is a heterocyclic. Homocyclic is what is the meaning for homocyclic? Cyclic is a ring made up of only carbon atom, same number of atom. These are can be classified into two types. First one is alicyclic, another one is aromatic. Aromatic can be classified into two types: benzenoid compound, another one is a non-benzenoid compound. These are the example for benzenoid compound. These are the example for non-benzenoid compound. Another one is a heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound can be classified into two types. First one is alicyclic compound, another one is a aromatic compound. In the aromatic compound, one carbon atom can be replaced by the nitrogen atom. This one is the best example for aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Another one is functional group. What is the definition for functional group? Chemical properties of all members of homolog series are characterized by the groups. This name is called a functional group. First functional group, alkyl halide. Another one, alcohols. Another one, ether. Aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, there are different derivatives. Acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, amides, nitrocompounds, amines. Totally 30 functional group. Among the 30 functional group, these are the importance: alkyl halide, alcohols, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, nitrocompounds, amine, alkane, alkene, alkyne, cyanide, isocyanide, imine, like the total 30 functional groups. Among the 30 functional groups, these are the functional groups very important, maybe ask the neat topic. First one is alkyl halide. What are the functional group used alkyl halide? That is a X. X is nothing but halogen. What are the halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogen. What is the general formula? That is a general formula RX. General formula for alkyl halide RX. Functional group X. There is a suffix. Another one is alcohol. Alcohol functional group OH. General formula ROH. Another one is a ether. Ether functional group O. R O R dash. This is a functional group. This is a general formula. Another one is aldehyde functional group CHO. General formula RCHO. Ketone functional group CO. General formula RCOR dash. If two alkyl groups same mean simple ketone, different mean is what? Mixed ketone. Another one is a carboxylic acid functional group COOH or COOH. Another one is a acid halide functional group COX. That is a RCOX. These are the derivatives. In carboxylic acid, functional group COOH. OH group can be replaced by the X. This is a halide. Another one is a anhydride. Anhydride functional group R C double bond O C double bond O R. Another one is a ester. Ester functional group COOR. It is a RCOOR dash. Another one is a amide CONH2. That is a RCONH2. Another one is the nitro compounds, NO2 or NO2. Another one is amines, NH2, that is or NH2. One more question may be asked. In ketone, what is the functional group? CO. What is the general formula? RCOR. Another one is ester. What is the functional group? COOR. This is general formula RCOOR. Easy to do, simple. Okay. These are the definition of functional group. These are the functional group. You discuss about one by one. So what is the first one? Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry definition. What is the next one? Characteristics. Another one is classification. Another one is functional group. In before entering the organic compound, first know about the valency of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Valency of hydrogen 1, oxygen valency 2, nitrogen valency 3, carbon valency 4. How to practice the equation regularly, you will get the highest mark.